In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted posts on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted some posts from your Instagram account and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open the Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and go to your activity. Now scroll down and click on the last option, download your information. Tap on request the download. Make sure that only your Instagram account is selected and click on next. Click on the second option, select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted posts on Instagram, therefore you need to search for this option that says content, select it and click on next. And then tap on submit request. After you click on submit request, within the next 24 hours, a file containing your deleted posts on Instagram will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted posts on Instagram will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.